So I stopped by my local vegetable stand earlier today, and guess what? He had his okra out. I just love the guy. One of the few people around here that grow okra. And so I buy okra all I can while it's in season because I just love okra. And I thought today, let's go ahead and do some Creole. So today I'm going to do some shrimp and okra Creole over rice. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how. Hey, welcome back. So you know what we're doing, shrimp and okra Creole, and this is the time of year right here. I mean, veggies are fresh, they're plentiful. I mean, I love it. This is my time of year. So hey, let's get cracking on this. What are we going to do? We're going to do Creole, and what's that mean? It's going to have some tomatoes in it. We're going to get the Holy Trinity with the onion, the celery, the pepper. We're going to throw some okra in there, some Creole seasoning, a little bit of chicken stock. The end result is going to be something fantastic. So let's get started. Like I said, we got the Holy Trinity going. I have some diced pepper, some diced celery, and diced onion that we're going to go ahead and get started in the pan over here. And I'm cooking outside. I love cooking outside in the summer, so I figured I can do it all right here on my 360. I'll get the sauce going. I got my rice going on over here. I'll right towards the end when my sauce is just about done, I'll go ahead and saute off my shrimp right here, throw in the sauce, bada bing, bada boom, right? So let's get going, huh? So I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of butter in my pan, and it's heated up nicely over here. I'm also going to go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil in here. And that's what we'll use to saute our Trinity. We'll also be adding our okra into there. So in the pan goes our peppers, our celery, our onion. We'll let that saute down a little bit. Once it's translucent, we'll go ahead and add the okra, our seasonings, throw in some tomatoes, let that reduce. Oh, I'm going to throw some garlic in there too. I've got a little bit of garlic over here. Shouldn't forget that. I cheated today. I'm using the minced garlic because I just want to chop a bunch of garlic up out here. So let's go in with some garlic. There we go. All right, we'll get our Trinity sauteing. We'll come back. We'll add the okra, and we'll keep on rolling. Hey, so guess what? I decided I was going to speed this up a little bit. So I said, why not throw it right on top of the flat top griddle here? We'll speed this up, and I'll be eating earlier. So that's what I'm doing. Sauteing my veggies right here. And what I'll probably do, kind of doing this out of sync a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes to my pan already. So there we go. I have crushed tomatoes going there, and that'll heat up. We'll add the sauteed veggies into the tomatoes. Go a little bit faster on this. Looking great. You know, just a little bit of browning here, and since I've got a little browning going on, I'm going to go ahead in with my okra. Get it all out there. We're looking pretty good here. Did I tell you I like cooking outside? I think you pretty much figured that out. I get really bummed on the weekend where we're gonna have showers or thunderstorms and I can't cook outside. We're not quite in a region where I can cook outside all year long. Maybe when I finally retire, I'll live someplace like that. We are looking pretty darn good right now. So I'm gonna go in with my seasoning. Now, I have some Creole seasoning that I'm using. I'm also boosting this up with a little bit of cayenne and a little bit of smoked paprika. In that goes. Give this a nice toss. Some okra over here. Oh, we going, see? My tomatoes are starting to bubble over there. We are looking good. Got a piece of okra that got away on me. Huh. Alrighty. I'm also going to add about a cup of chicken broth to my tomatoes. There we go. We're making the very basics of Creole sauce. Oh my gosh. I could just eat this. Give me a bowl of this on some rice, I'm good to go. I don't need to put tomatoes and anything else in it. Oh my. Okay, in we go. Okay, veggies in the sauce. You give it a little bit of a turn here. Make sure we incorporate all these nice veggies into our Creole sauce here. Oh my God. Rice is doing well, steaming. I love it when I can do everything right here. I mean, I'm within what, 3 feet here? This is gonna be good with some shrimp in it. I'm telling you right now. All right, let me give this a taste. See if I need to add any salt and pepper. Probably gonna need to add a little. Not much. It's got some nice little heat on it. All right, we're gonna let that simmer. We're gonna let that rice finish, and probably about another 15-20 minutes or so, I'm gonna grill these shrimp. We're gonna have some Creole. Oh, before I go, I have another tablespoon of butter here that we're gonna go ahead and just drop in there. Let that kind of emulsify in there, break down, add a little creaminess to this. Oh yeah, another level here. Okay, don't go away. We're coming back. Hey, welcome back, and we're looking pretty darn good over here. We have our sauce, our Creole sauce, simmering very nicely. And it's been going on for about 15-20 minutes here. Smelling fantastic. Can you smell it? Yeah, okay, yeah. Getting the thumbs up out there. So I think we're just about ready to go ahead and grill off some shrimp. And the reason why, I could just throw it in the sauce, let it cook in the sauce, but I want to put a little browning on that shrimp and add a little extra flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and push the sauce over there. Okay. Get a little bit of oil. Actually, I'm not going to put a little oil in. What I'm going to do is I have my shrimp here. I have a pound of peeled and deveined, tails off. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there with them. I'm also going to give a little bit of a sprinkle of our Creole seasoning. It's all about the Creole today, right? Not a lot. I don't want to overpower. We already have some of the seasoning in the sauce. So just give this a little bit of a toss. These can go straight onto the flat top. They'll only take a couple minutes on each side. Finish it off in the sauce, and we will have the Creole home run going. All right, there we go. On flat top they go. In fact, let's just go like that. Spread them out. Keep an eye on them. Give them a turn when they need to be turned, and we'll be good. So, what do you think? Pretty easy, right? 99% of what I do is easy. See, anybody can make these things. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Wow. And all outside. I'm not messing up the inside of the house. I spill something out here, we're hosing it down. Bada bing, bada boom, right? Okay. Alright. Got a minute more on this side. We'll flip them over. About 2 minutes. Get them in the sauce. Finish it off. Rice is done. We'll plate some up. We'll let you know how it tastes. You already know how it's going to taste. I don't make stuff that doesn't taste good. If it's not good, we haven't made the video of it. Would. Would you? Okay, let's get these flipped. Turn them over. Yeah, got some nice browning on them. Yeah, that's all flavor there, baby. There we go. We're looking pretty darn good here. So we got about another 2 minutes. We'll throw these in the sauce and let them cook for maybe a minute. And we'll be there. We'll be in the tasting zone. All right, the time has come. Shrimp go into the sauce. And I am going to scrape some of these num-nums right off the grill and get them in there. Oh yeah. Look at that. You'll be making this next weekend. Give this a stir. Let these shrimp cook for another minute. And wow, look at this. Come on now, look at that. All fresh veggies. Right over there. Right over there. 30 seconds. We're in testing mode. Okay, so we're back, and hey, before I even get into this, let me go ahead and do my episode shout out. This episode is dedicated to all you Navy cooks that ever had the privilege of making shrimp Creole for your crew. Me being one of them. Alrighty, but we didn't, I don't remember putting okra in mine. Alright, anyways, here we go. Look at that, huh? Like I said, you saw how simple it is to make. Oh my goodness. And all right here. Right there. Right on the 360. Now you don't have to have a 360. You got one of those Blackstone guys out there that got the Blackstone griddle. Go for it. Could you do it on the barbecue back here? Yeah, sure could. You know? Just watch your temperatures. Alright, so I got a little rice. I got a little okra. Let me do this first. Then I'll try the shrimp. Wow. Freaking money. Did I tell you I like okra? I love okra. It's like my summertime veg. That and squash. Oh my god, that's so good. Alright, the shrimp. You better be good. Because if you ain't, you're out of here. Anyways, let's go. Off the charts. Perfectly cooked. I'm so glad that I grilled it. Put a little browning on there. Add that flavor. And then finish it off in sauce. That's a game changer. A lot of people just throw that shrimp right into the sauce. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing at all. But if you get a chance to try it like that, you got to do it. And geez, that's a wrap, man. another great meal that's easy to make, and you know, anybody can do it. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, most importantly share. And right over here, wow, hit my logo, and it makes it so much easier to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. So until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.